Hi friends, good evening to all. How are you all? As you know, I am Uday Kumar. Welcome to Knowledge and Trending channel. Recently, I posted about Jairaj Gidra and Ashraf Excel. Definitely vote them guys because it is useful for them for their future. Please vote them. Releasing in cards. I am providing link in description. Please vote them. I hope guys definitely you like this video. If you are watching first time my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like and share to your friends as well as colleagues and relatives. Today my topic is about Airtel recharge plans. Let's start the video. In this video I am going to say one good news to all Airtel users guys, because they removed limited calls to unlimited. That's why. Recently I posted one video, new recharges in Jio Airtel Vodafone Idea. If you are interested to watch, I am releasing in cards here. If you want to see before and after, here I am showing one picture. By seeing that you will understand clearly. Everything is same guys, just they changed limited to unlimited voice calls, that's all. Quote of the day: life has no remote, get up and change it yourself. That's it guys about this video. Bye, always keep smile and be happy.